Hey guys, it's me Nishant here, and today I have an unboxing from cubelelo.com. So this package came from Raipur all the way to where I am in just 2 days. So I thank Cubelelo for the extremely fast shipping. But anyways guys, let's open the package. Let's just open this up. Alright guys, so I had to cut off this part because it wasn't buzzing to come. Anyways, here we have a bubble wrap, a red pouch. So this is the MS44. It's probably gonna get us back into 44 again. This will be unboxed by my brother. And here we have an RS3M 2020 and a card. Weirdly enough, I don't know where the invoice is, but who cares? First, we're gonna be taking a look at the MS44. Now my brother is gonna take over me. Okay guys, I'm opening it one-handed because I'm scared. Okay, that's alright. Anyways guys, here is the puzzle. So we finally got it open. Okay, here is the 4x4 and a really nice instruction manual. Okay, plastic wrap. Oh, yeah. That's my weakest point. Okay, here it is, a 4x4. Yeah, it's quite greasy, but anyways, wait, there's a hair on it. It's really greasy. You guys can see the orange here. Oh wow! What the hell is that? Okay, so this is not letting me break in. Anyways, guys, let's get on to first one. Okay, it's quite tight to be honest with me because yeah, I'm a what the hell is this? I mean, yeah, this is a lot better. I'm gonna hand it off to my brother Nishant to try it out. Alright guys, it's me Nishant. I'll try the MS4 for now. This is actually pretty loose after Prashant actually turned it. It's very scratchy, and in my opinion, it's going to be bringing me back into 4x4. I had a crappy non-magnetic fusion from Amazon. This will definitely beat it. Next up, we have the RS3M 2020. So I have the OEM for the past 8 months, maybe more than that. So I'm very happy to finally get a replacement one. And yes, the invoice is over here. That's pretty weird. And yes, I also ordered extra magnets because I heard that the magnet strength in this puzzle is quite weak. I'll be getting into it later. Anyways guys, here's the cube. Let's try to open it. Okay, I'm sorry the box, but whatever. Alright, inside we have the RS3M 2020. A stand, Moyu stand, nice. Okay, so I ripped the whole box just to get the accessories. Now let's open this thing up. Oh god, don't tell me this is tape as well. Inside we have 2 cards. An instruction manual, a pamphlet, a screwdriver, and these look like some dual adjustment systems, I think. Okay, let's get on with the puzzle. Okay, noticeably it's not as greasy, but let's see how it's done. Oh whoa, this is like any non-magnetic tube. The magnets on this tube are super weak. Like seriously, this is so fast. Like it's turning to the point where I can control it, but it's just too fast. Yeah, this cube is absolutely fast. Good thing I bought the extra magnets so that I can put some extra magnets on this cube and make the magnets a lot heavier. So that's about it. So my first impressions on the MS404, I'm gonna giving this cube an 8.5 out of 10. Especially the orange is very greasy, that's why. And for my first impressions of the RS3M 2020, I'm going to be giving this cube a 7.5 out of 10. So that's about it for an unboxing of the RS3M 2020 and the MS404. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.